Bazana Ndlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly webafethu kumele sihlale sikhumbuzana lapho ukuthi iMK lona qembu bafethu lethu thina nje emnyama ngoba angazi noma abantu abamnyama bayabuka yini. Anginandaba nihlamba zabantu abamnyama, ngikhuluma ngabantu bamnyama mina bangempela. Ukuthi njengamanje njengoba kune MK, IDA is trying by all means to fight MK. The reason why I'm saying that is there's too many things, but ngizophinde ngibuyele kule ndaba kababa uJohn Mhlophe. Uyabona kunalo mama wakuDA abathu Breitenberg. Kwayena wabaleka lapha eNPA ebalekela amacala. Akekho eligible ukuthi ngabe kuJSC. Yena ke ngento eyangempela eyenzeka. Uyabona ubaba uJohn Mhlophe, mina ngisafisa ukuthi kube khona ijournalist ezokusho lokho phambi kwami ukuthi ubaba uJohn Mhlophe konje baye bethini kunaleli gama abanokulisho disgraced, but is a disgraced former judge besho kubaba uJohn Mhlophe. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi njengoba behlala bem-interviewer uBreitenberg, uyaye mabe interviewer bengambuzi ngani ukuthi what exactly did ubaba uJohn Mhlophe do to influence other judges. Ngendlela okusho ngayo ngoba sizwa nje uinfluence. Uyabona kune journalist lapha okuthiwa uPolifan Veki lokho esivezela lezi indaba zase VBS. Even though esivezela indaba useless VBS, thina sifuna ukwazi ukuthi u2 billion wayapi. Kuma nje abantu akasabavezile abawenza even u20 million. So kodwa uyayethi luyasisi mangabe eveza indaba zabantu ekukhombisa igraph ukuthi kwaqala la kwaya la kwaze kwagcina la. So mina ngiyafisa ijournalist ngempela, not umuntu ohambe ehogela yonke into kuluma kuthiwa ubani ucorrupt sephe kwakhe ubani ucorrupt. Uyabo, ngifisa ijournalist ezothi mayizwa indaba njengendaba kaBaba John Mhlophe ebese iyabuza ukuthi what exactly did he do to influence i-decision yamanye ama-judge. Not indaba ukuthi he is actually impeached for trying to influence. What did he exactly do? That should be the question. And then sizwe ke, because thina sezwa ama-rumors ukuthi nje wathi sesithembelekini. So angazi ke ukuthi usesithembelekini mhlambe angazi thina samaZulu. Mangithi sengithembelekini ngisho in a positive way. I can't say sesithembelekini ngibe ngisho in a negative way. So ukuthi iqiniso ngempela ukuthi leyo nto leyo abamimpeachela yona angazi. So njengamanje bona bathi abantu abamele umthetho eSouth Africa. Umthetho wase South Africa akukho la uthi khona if a judge has been impeached he is not qualified ukuthi angaya kuJSC. So they need to amend that constitution first because they can go to courts, because they are trying to actually just disgrace ubaba uJohn Mhlophe. They are fighting their battles and they make it as if they are fighting for South Africans, but they are not. So this thing must actually come to an end. Yokuthi now we need to bow to EDA just because the ANC is bowing to EDA. Right now they've got another lady in Northwest who is also running away from amacalaki NPA for misconduct in Northwest. So EDA yona has got such people, but because they are white then it's fine. Once you are black then it's a problem, because we know thina mina njengami abantu abafana nami we know ukuthi ubaba John Mhlophe, the only problem, or anyone for that matter, if you are actually fighting for blackness, then you are a problem to EDA nabaphathi bayo. If you try and say umhlaba kumele ubuyele kubantu abamnyama, abantu abamnyama kumele bafakwe emnothweni wase South Africa, then you are a problem. So you are corrupt. As soon as you say that, you are corrupt. You are a corrupt person. That's why you find those people who made sure during isikhathi kaBaba ukuthi the country runs smoothly. They are all said to be corrupt. And it's a problem because black people, they support this mediocre because they are saying so. But me, I will never accept that crap. I will never accept that crap. So, and I hate those people who want to come here and act as if they are smart. Bazositshela ukuthi omkhwebane banje banje o babu John Hlophe banje banje, just because bona they are useless and stupid. I'm not stupid, man. So that's why ngila ku MK. Akekho umuntu ola ku MK uyisiphukuphuku. Ola ku MK uyisiphukuphuku ngoba vele akabelongi la. Asinazi iphukuphuku MK. Abantu ba ku MK bachithile, they can see what is happening in this country. And those who does not see that, bazobona very soon. Very soon zizokhala ngoba thina sibhizi siyasebenza. That's why vele la ku TikTok ningasiboni. Sibhizi siyasebenza, sifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi izinto zihamba kahle la eqembini lethu. Very soon nalabo abantu enicabanga ukuthi nina bangcono abadeserve kuba ku MK nizobabona la ku MK. So laba bangezwa ke vela sibancenga sinandaba nabo fusekani.